Welcome to our lesson on sets and Venn diagrams. Today, we'll explore a WASSCE past question from 2011. A total of 88 tourists were interviewed. Out of those, 74 visited at least one continent. Let's define our sets: Europe, Africa, and South America. We know 19 visited both Europe and Africa, 30 visited Europe and South America, and 26 visited South America and Africa. No tourists visited only Africa, while 10 visited only Europe and 7 visited only South America. Let's represent the number of tourists who visited all three continents as X. Now, let's find out how many tourists visited none of the continents. We calculate that 14 tourists visited none of the three continents. This line says none equals 88 minus 74 equals 14. Next, we draw 3 overlapping circles for Europe, Africa, and South America. The number of tourists who visited all three continents is represented as X. The number who visited all three continents is given as backslash X backslash. The number who visited only Europe and Africa is 19 minus X, and similarly for the other regions. Since 19 visited Europe and Africa only is backslash 19 X backslash. Since 30 visited Europe and South America only is backslash 30 X backslash. Since 26 visited South America and Africa only is backslash 26 X backslash. Ten tourists visited only Europe, no one visited only Africa, and 7 visited only South America. 10 tourists visited only Europe. No tourist visited only Africa. 7 tourists visited only South America. We have confirmed that 14 tourists visited none of the three continents. 14 tourists visited none of the three continents. Now, let's form an equation to find X. We add all the regions in the universal set and set the total equal to 88. This line says 10 plus 0 plus 7 plus 19 minus X plus 30 minus X plus 26 minus X plus 14 equals 88. This line says 106 minus 2X equals 88. This line says minus 2X equals minus 18. This line says X equals 9. The solution gives us X equals 9. Now, let's complete the Venn diagram by substituting X equals 9. If you find this explanation helpful, please subscribe for more math solutions. Now, let's find n of the intersection of E and A, or S. We need everything in the intersection of E and A, or everything in S, counting the center only once. Highlight the whole backslash, E backslash cap, A backslash, region. Highlight the whole backslash, S backslash, circle. We need everything in backslash, E backslash cap, A backslash, or everything in backslash s backslash. The center is counted only once. The calculation shows that n of the intersection of E and A, or S, is 64. This line says n E A S equals A only plus n s equals 10 plus 7 plus 21 plus 17 plus 9. Equals 10 plus 54. Equals 64. Thus, we conclude that n of the intersection of E and A, or S, equals 64. Next, let's find n of the intersection of the complement of E and S with A. This represents torus inside A, but outside E and S. From the diagram, we see that Africa only has 0 tourists. This means Africa only. From the diagram, Africa only is 0. Therefore, n of the intersection of the complement of E and S with A equals 0. Now, let's find the total number of tourists who visited Africa. To find n of A, we add all the regions inside the Africa circle. To find backslash NA backslash, add every region inside the Africa circle. The total for n of A is 36. This line says n A equals 0 plus 10 plus 9 plus 17 equals 36. So, we conclude that n of A equals 36. In summary, we found x equals 9, n of the intersection of E and A, or S equals 64, and n of A equals 36. Don't forget to subscribe for more math content. In summary, we found x equals 9, n of the intersection of E and A, or S equals 64, and n of A equals 36.